Strawberry.
Who am I? Who am I? I am round and shiny red, crunchy, juicy when I'm spread. Guess my name, don't be slow. Yes, I'm Apple, now you know. Who am I? Who am I? I am orange, bright and sweet. Peel me first, then I'm a treat. Full of juice, I'm good for you. Yes, I'm orange, it is true. Who am I? Who am I? Golden yellow, soft and sweet. A summer king, a special treat. Juicy taste from head to toe. Yes, I'm mango, now you know. Together we are fruit so bright. Healthy, tasty, pure delight. Apple, orange, mango too. We are friends that